to the entertainment center, bowling and arcade and bar.
Right, going up against it.
All right, welcome to our entertainment center.
This one's right. Straight to my favorite
This
thing.
room is just a little TV room. We still need to put some furniture and stuff in here because, well, we didn't do it all yet. Of course, bowling shoes and all the stuff we need back there. And then Dave's little pro shop here that he's super proud of. I have no idea where the light is. Is it not here? Yeah, not here. Nope, that is not it. Don't know. I shake that one, I don't know. It's not my realm, clearly. Dave can show you more when he comes in. And then our bowling lanes. And over here we have our bar area to sit and watch shows and sports and all the fun stuff. And then my amethyst wings that I had put up, so they're perfect for me. And my height. Then we have wine coolers on both. Well, no, just this side. This is storage and stuff. Just extra storage. Fun. Oh, this is a fridge. I didn't even know it was there. And then we have a whole kitchen for anything we need in entertaining and all. And we have fridge doors we always stock, just like up by our pool, with all the fun drinks and all. Ice machines, regular. And over here is Nugget Ice, like Sonic Ice for those people that like that kind better. And then we always have some great leatherback products on tap. Our house, we always carry Soka, which is like a vodka-based seltzer drink, and then Beach Life, because it's my personal favorite beer of leatherback beers. So it's kind of our fun little place. Bunch of TVs, too many TVs. And I don't know where our kids went. We got skee ball and all sorts of fun pool and fun games. And walk back out here. We have our own rum and I believe a bourbon. A friend that has a brewery actually, or distillery actually made for us, like personally, so we have full on. This is kind of cool. We made them like commercial style, so all of our bathrooms are kind of like if you go into an actual bowling alley. So they're kind of real industrial style. That's super fun, neat. Same with the women's. It's kind of just like super industrial. It has a couple stalls in here. Just basic, you know, like everyone else's places. It's pretty wild. One of our stools for all of our drunk people. Air hockey table, tennis machine, Pac-Man, House of Dead. Super fun. And then we have a bunch of neon signs. This is my personal favorite one because when you leave it says, "But did you die?" And of course, boom on the wall because Dave's kind of known. He just yells boom when he gets striked, so it just sort of one of the things about bowling alley. It's Davey playing Space Invaders. And then Big Buck Hunter and Wiggins in the back here too. Pretty sure I threw my shoulder out on this one, but I won the competition, just so you know.
All right, here we are. Welcome to the entertainment center, bowling and arcade and bar.